We got the same type of charger, USB-C, this charger, fast charging this time. Quick guide and the warranty card. Definitely slimmer. Very nice. Let's see. And this is this new style strap. Same good quality, but slimmer. Nice and flexible. A satisfying click. All right, there you have it. So yeah, for now that's how it looks like. Really like it. Yeah, I will do further tests and let you know. But yeah, so far so good.